Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use check-in on your iPhone. You might be wondering what this is. Well, this feature allows you to send a location-based and a time-based, basically estimated time arrival to someone through the Messages app on your iPhone. But before you can use that, there is a requirement you need to have in your settings. You need to go ahead and make sure in privacy and security, your location service is turned on. Now with location services turned on, you also need to make sure you have cellular data when you're using this. With these requirements turned on, really simple. All you do is go to your messages, and if you want to send someone your ETA, you simply tap on their name, and then from there on, you're going to click on the plus icon here, and from there on, you're going to go down and look for the check-in option right here. And when you do that, it's going to tell them basically your ETA whenever you're going based on your thing. You can share a partial or full detail. They can also see your battery charge and much more. So once you do that, you'll be able to do that. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.